Velvet Sofa Care Expert Tips for Cleaning and Long-Lasting Luxury. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for maintaining your home. Today we'll be discussing how to take care of a velvet sofa. Velvet sofas are a luxurious addition to any home, but they require special care to maintain their beauty and durability. In this video, we'll provide you with expert tips for cleaning and caring for your velvet sofa. The first step in caring for your velvet sofa is to vacuum it regularly to prevent the buildup of dust and dirt. Use a soft bristled brush attachment to gently remove any debris from the fabric. If your velvet sofa gets stained, don't panic. It's important to act quickly and blot the stain with a clean, dry cloth to absorb as much of the liquid as possible. Avoid rubbing the stain, as this can damage the delicate fibers of the velvet. Instead, use a specialized velvet cleaner to remove the stain. When it comes to cleaning your velvet sofa, it's important to avoid using water or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the fabric. Instead, use a dry cleaning solvent or a specialized velvet cleaner. Be sure to test the cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area of the sofa first to make sure it doesn't damage the fabric. Another important tip for caring for your velvet sofa is to fluff the cushions regularly to prevent the fabric from becoming flat or compressed. This will help maintain the shape and appearance of your sofa. Finally, be sure to keep your velvet sofa out of direct sunlight, as this can cause the fabric to fade and lose its luster over time. If possible, keep the sofa in a shaded area of the room or use curtains or blinds to block out the sun. Conclusion: taking care of a velvet sofa requires a little extra effort, but it's worth it to maintain the beauty and durability of this luxurious piece of furniture. Vacuum regularly, blot stains immediately, use specialized cleaners, fluff cushions regularly, and keep the sofa out of direct sunlight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for maintaining your home.